Frugal friends, welcome to our fabulous gift openings, friend mail openings. Opening, well, I guess this is the third package. We spread them out, which was really nice, so that, you know, we could be enjoying them throughout these days of smoke and not being able to breathe and surrounded by fire. Those of you that joined us for our live stream yesterday, our surprise live stream, Reagan, stop it. Thank you so much. How cool is it? I know this, it was weird and stuff, but how cool is it that we have trolls? Our channel is at the, I mean, this is a YouTube milestone, Frugal friends. We have trolls. All right, yeah, they're annoying. And next time I do a live stream, I have no idea when that will be, but I will have a moderator that will take care of all of that nonsense. But even though it rattled me a little, because I'm a person, I'm real, it actually, yeah, major milestone, big deal. So woohoo, we are celebrating trolls. Anyway, and here we have Mimi playing with one of the toys from our good friend Laura, who sent us another box of goodies. Yes, she spoils us like crazy. I opened this box when I was picking up Olivia from school, and she like claimed it right away, put her skirt down. How does this come down?
It's tied right here.
Oh yeah, she was having her be like a show dancer. Anyway, it's got a little skirt, and Olivia claimed it right away because she had been wanting one of those soft dolls for some time, and then Laura sent us one. It was freaking awesome. Then she also, oh, I know, she has the Little Mermaid one too, so we'll share it.
You could show it.
Yeah, Little Mermaid. But we'll share this one. Then Laura also sent us brain teasers and an adorable little choo-choo.
This actually looks cool.
It does. I know. She looks like she's one of those dancers that I always wanted to be.
But there's
life goals. And then some fabulous warm fuzzy socks that have the grips on them. She must have watched the video where I said that these are my favorite kind of socks. Every time I've had like...
The pink ones?
No, Olivia already asked if she could have those, but we'll share, okay? We'll take turns. But, what was I saying? Oh, every time I've had surgery, hold on, Mimi. Every time I've had surgery, I've kept the socks that they give you in the hospital, and in the winter, I have to wear socks at night to be able to sleep. Otherwise, my feet freeze and I just can't sleep. So these are fantastic, and they're way better colors, way more fun than, the ones you get in the hospital. So, awesome. Frugal friends, just look at all of these fabulous toys that Sunny Skies sent to us. And this isn't all. There are tons more. This is, it's my childhood in a box right here. I have been having so much fun showing my brothers all of these fun old school toys and introducing my kids to this, this past generation of toys. Seriously, memory lane, a whole bunch of vintage G.I. Joes and their accessories, micro machines. How many of you, like, your parents cursed you because they were stepping all over these micro machines when you were kids? Oh my goodness. We have just been spoiled rotten, Sunny Skies. Oh boy. Okay, so for the last of what we'll be opening today, now I know that there are other packages on the way here in the future, and we will be keeping an eye out for those, and excuse me, we will make our way up to the P.O. box when you tell us that the things have arrived, when you've given us kind of a, you know, a tracking number or something, we will definitely head up there, okay? I've mentioned it before, we do not live in the town that our P.O. box is in, so please let us know if you've sent something and when it should arrive so that we're not missing out, all right? So, okay, this box, we went up today, and this is from Laura Puhala, our dear, dear YouTube friend who spoils us and spoils us, and right now, we can absolutely use it. Let me show you something. I finally gave in and went and bought this beast. Look how pink. Isn't that wonderful? Because the fires are crazy out of control right now. Huge! Our fires are #1 and #2 priority in the nation right now. Our little claim to fame here in Utah. Having all these treasures to look through has just been wonderful. Let's jump in. Okay, so I'm starting with Reagan because when I opened this, I noticed right away that there was some stuff for him. And I know that Laura asked specifically if we could have Reagan along for this opening. I haven't had the kids in too many videos lately, you may have noticed, because I was wondering and kind of feeling like maybe I was giving too much exposure to them, and I was a little concerned about that. You know, safety and security, etc., etc. But she did ask specifically if he could be here for this, and so he is. And I'm going to let him jump in. Mountains of Pokemon cards.
Oh, and some Yu-Gi-Oh!
We're getting there. We're getting there. Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh! And whatever else. He is going to jump into those. Oh, sorry, I didn't notice that. It is,
Pokemon Sun and Moon and some other things.
Sure. Reagan knows what they are. It's something Pokemon, and he is going to jump in and dig into those. Hold on, Reagan. She wants to see you looking at them, okay? So just a sec.
There's one more thing.
Okay, okay. Oh, you are correct. You are correct, Mimi. There are 2 awesome little Pokemon toys. Pikachu is his favorite. There is a note here. Oh, this is so funny. Dear Lulu and Mimi, this is specifically to the girls. These are for Mom, the things in this bag right here. You may share them, but they are meant to keep her sane because I know things have been nuts lately. Julie, wear them in good health. Oh, Laura, thank you. Look, oh my gosh.
Mom, look.
Hold on, Reagan. Hold on. Look, the sequins. And it's Minnie Mouse.
They're rainbow.
I don't know. I don't care.
They're rainbow ones.
And they're rainbows. My favorite thing in the world.
They're flip sequins.
And they are. They're flip sequins. I needed that. The whole valley is burning down, as well as many other parts of Utah. But I have sparkly Minnie Mouse ears, so a little keychain here, and it's got a compass on it. That's awesome. And Wonder Woman keychain. I am going to have Olivia right now go and add these to our fabulous keychain board. Oh, Mariah wants to add one, and Olivia's going to add one. We have a bag of bags and bubble wrap, which always comes in handy.
Especially for popping.
Lulu. So, gifty bags, and these are fantastic. These are some Halloween treat bags. I'm not sure where they're from. Oh, National Crime Prevention Council. Anyway, super awesome. These are actually, it's going to sound weird, but these are collectible. Yeah, vintage Halloween treat bags. They're collectible. Who knew? Well, I knew, and I just told you. Hold on, we're going to get there. We have a bag of all kinds of craft goods as marked, and we'll have to go all the way deep through these in, you know, on our own, but crafting galore. I mean, all kinds. Hold on, I'm getting there. Oh, look how cute those are, little foam dinosaurs and foam piggies. Oh my. Then, oh, look at these. You can't because I wasn't holding them up. A whole bunch of these fabulous Disney princess stickers, the kind that have the little jingles in them.
Those have to be
and
mine.
Minnie Mouse and Frozen. Oh no. And okay, all right. Ooh, Legos. Reagan is a happy camper. There he comes.
They're for everybody.
They are for everybody. We will all share them. There's this awesome pill bottle full of Legos. Check that out. Hold on.
It's like a beach ball.
Oh, super cool. Super cool. I'm going to let Reagan grab those. We love Legos. Super awesome. Ooh, here's another really awesome Halloween thingy. I'm not sure what you do with that. Ideas, Lulu? Lulu's going to see if she can figure that out, but one of you can probably tell us. Spiders. You can always use more spider rings. Ooh. Let's see. This is Bakugan. I'm not familiar with Bakugan. Reagan, does that sound at all familiar?
I'll take it.
Well, okay. Oh, look how cute. What is this? I don't know, but it's super cute. Katsuma, and an adorable little minion. Mariah's going to be a minion for Halloween. So how perfect is that? Little minion for Halloween with one of the costumes we got out of the Zurchers dumpsters. Another little minion. This one with armor. All right, there is an awesome Lion King pin button. We'll keep that for our Disney collection. And then Mimi.
The dresses are clip-on.
Awesome little Rapunzels.
Mom,
look how cute they are.
Her,
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Rapunzel. My goodness sake. I did not mean to expose you that way. All right. We'll give those to Mimi. We can always use more plastic cups because cups get broken in this house. Ooh. Look at these shades. Look at that. Oh, Olivia's excited. Those are gorgeous. Woo. Tomorrow's Dreams. Oh, and it's a gorgeous journal. And it says 1999, the year I graduated from high school. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. These are absolutely for Lulu. Mad Libs. Yeah, she's super excited. She's the Mad Lib queen. Super awesome. Oh, my goodness. Can't wait to see what she comes up with. Then a whole bag. We're so spoiled. We're so spoiled. We are so lucky, so fortunate that you guys love us so much. Stickers and more stickers.
Wait, no, I said
No, but they're flowers, but all kinds of awesome stickers. We will add those to the crafting station. My goodness. Oh, man. Reagan. Yeah, Reagan wants to open his Pokemon stuff and look through those. All right. Is there some goodies in there? Ooh.
Oh, I don't have fire energy yet.
Well, now he does.
Well, I already have some fighting or earth energy.
Earth energy?
Pokemon.
Like
and I don't have plant.
What is it?
Plant.
Ooh, we don't have any of these yet. Now we do.
Oh, and I don't have the Pokeball trainer.
And the Pokeball trainer. There's different forms.
You have Eevee? No, not Eevee.
And different evolutions of Pokemon.
And I also have
Ooh, that's a beautiful Pikachu. And these are all in glorious mint condition. Where do you get these? All right, he's going to keep going through those, and we are going to wrap this stuff up.
Mom, I don't have this one.
So many that he doesn't have. He is super excited to go through. Frugal Friends, thank you so much. Mimi, are you liking those Rapunzels? Yeah?
If you take off their clothes, then they'll have a swimsuit on.
Oh, I'm glad they have a swimsuit on underneath. That's good. We don't want them to be nudikins.
Yeah.
And, oh, Olivia, show them that you got glasses. That's one pair. She got another pair. And I got some new ones as well. Zenny. We love Zenny. Okay, we're going to get all this cleaned up and put away. Thank you again, Frugal Friends. Our P.O. Box address is in the video description. We collect keychains and magnets and postcards and collectible spoons and anything else that you want to share with the Frugal family of friends that we will proudly share, display in our home and on our videos. Thank you so much for helping us and supporting us through this crazy, difficult time with the fires and all that. You guys are wonderful and you really do keep us going. So thank you. And we'll see you all really soon.
On here?
Sparkles. Plural noun. Books.
Okay. So, it's
Nice and loud.
It's yummy in your tummy. And the book is Kung Fu Panda 2. 5 Animal Restaurant serves some of the best books in Disneyland. We're trying to see if I have a
bug. Next, from Irene Gaston from Anchorage, Alaska, we have several fabulous little treasures. First, we have this keychain. It's a little t-shirt, and it says, well, AK, Alaska, the last frontier. Super duper cool. We have added it to the Dumpster Divers keychain board. We still have a little bit of room as far as the original hooks, but we will be adding more hooks along the side. So don't be deterred just by seeing that this looks so full. We are adding more hooks, so if you would like to send us a keychain, we will have a place to put it, I promise. So that is super awesome. Irene sent us several other little goodies. Okay, a couple other little goodies to add to our boards. So let's go and check those out. And on this other side of the fridge, I've started putting up the postcards, and I'm using this so Irene also sent us this awesome little license plate magnet, Alaska Gold Rush Centennial, the 49th state, and it is right next to our Texas magnet. We have lots more room left here on the refrigerator, well, on the freezer door and on the fridge door, and we have been keeping it nice and clean, guys, so if you want to send us a magnet to be displayed, we will absolutely put it here. The dumpster diving magnet board is completely full, but this fridge, totally empty, waiting to be filled with glorious treasures. So thank you, Irene. That is a fantastic little magnet. I don't know what it's called. It's this sticky stuff that you can use to put stuff on walls or whatever, but then it can come off pretty clean. Anyway, we found it in the bins before. It's that blue stretchy stuff, and that's what I'm using. For now, I'll be putting the postcards on this side of the fridge. So if you do send us postcards, this is where they will end up until I have a more creative, better place to display them. Anyway, thank you, Irene, for these fabulous gifts that we have added to our collection. Someday, hopefully, we will have such things, postcards, keychains, and magnets from all 50 states and all over the world. The collection is growing.